Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn to know what is the version of Windows operating system that we are using in our computer using Microsoft command line. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are here in our Microsoft Windows command line. So the command to display the version of Microsoft Windows operating system that we are using is the use of ver command or version. We simply type ver /?. So we have here displays the Windows version ver. So when we type the word ver, we have Microsoft Windows version 10.0.10.24.0, which refers to Windows 10 operating system. That's it. That's very simple guys. So thank you very much for watching. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorials. Bye bye for now.